1542 departure on 126.1.
1542, we're getting an electrical smell. We'd like to come back around.
1542, roger. Turn left heading 245 and climb maintain 8,000.
Heading 245, 8,000 southwest, 1542.
Southwest 1542, turn left heading 245, climb maintain 9,000.
245, 9,000, Southwest 1542.
Southwest 1542, you can plan, I would imagine 34 right, contact approach on 126.1.
34 right, 26-1, we'll see you Southwest 1542. Approach Southwest 1542, we're in the left turn to 245, 7600 climbing 9,000, we need to come back in.
1542 departure radar contact, good evening, and are you guys ready to come back in now? You need to run some check.
What's the runway?
Southwest 1542, I can get you either, well 34 right's easiest, but 34 left's the long one if you want that.
Okay, we'll take 34 left for Southwest 1542.
That's 1542 clear to Denver via vectors. It'll be 34 left. Continue left heading 190.
190 Southwest 1542.
That's 1542. Just to verify, you guys are ready to come back in now, that's correct?
Just a moment here.
Okay, I'm going to put you on a downwind. Let me know if you need something else. Southwest 1542, turn left heading 170.
170 Southwest 1542.
Southwest 1542, I know you guys are busy. When you're able, can you give me the number of people on board and the fuel?
Okay, bye. We'll be ready in just a couple minutes to go back in.
That's 1542, ready?
Just a heads up, everything's dissipating now, but we're still coming back as a precautionary.
1542, roger. You going to want any equipment standing by just in case?
Yeah, equipment please. And looks like we have 177 souls on board, and the fuel is about 5 hours.
That was 1542, roger. I'm going to let you keep trucking on this heading. Let me know if something doesn't look good or when you're ready to turn towards the airport.
Yeah, we're ready to come back.
Southwest 1542, turn left heading 120.
Heading 120 southwest, 1542.
1542, turn left heading 080, descend to maintain 8,000.
080, 8,000, southwest 1542.
1542, the airport 10 o'clock and 9 miles.
Hey, sorry, Southwest 1542.
That was 1542, turn left heading 020, cleared visual approach runway 34 left.
So the visual 34 left 020 on the heading Southwest 1542.
That was 1542. Tower wants to know, do you think you'll stop on the runway or do you think you'll take a high speed?
If crash and fire can reach us on a high speed, we'll take a high speed.
Okay, I'll let them know, thanks sir. That was 1542. They got the info. Contact the tower on 133.3. You guys take care.
333, good day, southwest 1542.
Southwest 1542, Denver Tower.
42, we're with you.
Southwest 1542, runway 34 left, clear to land, wind calm.
34 left, clear to land, wind calm, thanks. And the smoke smell is dissipating, but we'd just like crash and fire to check us out, and then we'll be going to a gate.
Southwest 1542, the equipment is at the runway. Southwest 1542, any right turn is approved, and you can contact the fire rescue on 127.5. If you need anything, let us know.
I will check this out, and we're clearing here. Thank you.